Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to For Love. Today we just got our chickens in here. Give me this. Give me this, cameraman. Fluffy. He's the inside. He's the. Hey!
You're not going in there.
Then we got our turkeys over there.
What are you doing?
What's over here? It seems like we have a chicken. Okay. What's Fluffy as our subject?
Hey, don't throw like that.
Let's put Fluffy on the chicken ramp. Walking up. Keep walking up.
Hey.
And then going inside.
Go in.
Let's get Fluffy.
They need to learn how to go in there.
Bruh.
Dad,
Cameraman,
this is
bruh.
actually a great
Yes, naked.
side to do it.
It's working perfect.
Because they can
What?
Yeah, one of the chickens did the silliest thing ever.
What?
He did like,
Let me up.
let me up.
Odie, get a chicken. Run, chicken.
Wait.
Odie, it was him. It was the other guy. Odie, that was the brown one.
Took a
Run.
long horse. Bye.
Run, chicken, dude.
Ah!
Brown one, over there. Run, Odie. Run, chicken.
What did you do?
Right.
Fluffy's inside. Shep, Fluffy's inside. Shep, Fluffy's inside.
Run, chicken, dude. Run. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make them learn to go in there. There.
Hey! Run, chicken! Oh, you like God!
I just want them to learn how to do it.
Run, chicken! Run.
All right, guys. Let's leave
Squish.
them alone for a while.
Bruh. You got the chicken. Now put him on the ramp. Walk in.
There you go.
Yeah! Okay. Odie.
What?
Say make sure you click subscribe.
Click subscribe. Let's no chicken eat you. Click subscribe.
Say pound it, nuggets. You do pound it, nuggets. See ya.
Pound it, nugget. See ya.
Odie, say what?
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 Bruh.